Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Realm for mobile database synchronization step by step clearly. To get started with registering for Realm, first, visit the Realm website. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in the required information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Realm website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Add New App option and click on it. Select the correct platform for your mobile application. Fill in the app details as prompted, including the app name and description. Choose the desired database settings for synchronization. Click on the Create App button to finalize the setup. You will now see your newly created app in the dashboard. From here, you can access the Realm Mobile Database SDK. Follow the additional setup instructions for integrating Realm into your mobile project. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Realm for mobile database synchronization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.